everybody, welcome back to Mama Dawn's. Today we will be making blueberry muffins because a good friend of mine at church wanted to learn how to make them, so I decided to do that. But we have a special guest today, which is her daughter Michaela. Say hey, Michaela.
Hi.
So she's going to be helping with this because my carpal tunnel and my right hand is acting up, so she's going to be my hands for me today. And so my daughter, Ariana, will still be videotaping if she gets her nails out the way. Anywho, so here we have our fresh blueberries. You can use frozen. If you use frozen, don't defrost them because it's going to have all that liquid and watery and it just be a hot mess. Not even a good mess, a hot mess. We have buttermilk, vanilla extract, oil, butter, flour, egg, sugar, salt, baking soda, baking powder. All the ingredients, of course, will be in the little box down there, so don't forget to look there. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and pass the videos to your friends to subscribe. Thank you. Anyway, so to get started, we're going to sift all these dry ingredients, which is why I got that bowl over there to sift. Okay, you guys, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, now we sift the dry ingredients, and we just have it waiting by our mixer. Right now, Michaela's going to mix into our bowl here the buttermilk. Oh yeah, you guys, and I forgot to say, all your stuff needs to be room temperature. Sorry. Do not forget room temperature for everything. Thank you, Michaela. You're gonna put in the melted butter. Then the oil. Then the eggs. What is it? Extract, the vanilla extract. Let me just put this over here. Okay, you got that there?
Mm-hmm.
And the sugar, I forgot you guys were going to add the flour. So now we're going to take this to our mixer and we're going to mix it. All right, okay, now we're mixing, you guys. We're mixing this inside my mixer. You can do this by hand. You do not need a mixer for this, but you know me. When my hand's hurting, I'm putting just a little bit more to make sure we get that mixed in. Okay, then next we're gonna add the flour, all the dry ingredients. You can do it a different way, is to make a well inside here, you know, like dig a well, and then put your mixer here and mix it. Well, since I already got it in my mixer bowl, I'm not gonna do all that mess. So you all do you, because I am doing me, okay? As long as you got the ingredients right, you will be all right. The way you do it, hey, do what you do. Now we're gonna go ahead and start mixing. We don't want to mix too long. We just want to mix to get the to get it wet. So if it have a little bit of lumps, it's all right. It's not going to kill you because we already sift. That's the reason why I first sifting. So can you see that, Ariana?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see, that's all I'm doing, guys. No more, no less. Now what I'm going to do is put down the side. And actually, I'm not going to use my mix anymore because I have it. You don't want to over mix it to have a tough product. You know what I mean? We want this to be soft, nice. I know sometimes if I don't have regular purpose flour, I do use cake flour, and it makes it even more delicate. I mean, it's amazing, but you know how it is, guys. Stores are still sort of scarce on certain stuff. Now what we're going to do is here, because we already got the batter here, is, come on, Michaela, you can pour in half of those blueberries, girlfriend. Okay. Okay. Then we're going to fold it in, which is why I turn the mixer off, because we do not want to have a nasty hot mess in here. You guys. And actually, you guys, if you wanted to do, like, say, raspberries, or, I love raspberries too, you guys, or any other, the smaller berries, you can do that. Just substitute that, you know. So then it would be called raspberry muffins, of course, instead of blueberries, because you change the berries, in case y'all didn't know that. But that's all right. Now, what we're going to do is, we have our cake pans. My cupcake pans. You can put the little cupcake liners in if you want them, but I'm not doing it this time. I'm actually going to spray them with some Pam. You can use any oil thing, spray them, and then we'll fill them, and we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, we got most of these scooped in. Michaela's going to do the last one. good. So now what we're gonna do with the rest of the blueberries, and just add a little bit to the top, so there'll be like a burst of blueberries, you guys, in your mouth. They're almost like a burst of summer, like I say about lemons. Girl, that dang. Yeah, that's where we go again. Me and Michaela, actually Michaela dropped them in the store, so we had to get some more, you know. But that was all good, y'all. You know, we did clean up after ourselves, so the store workers wouldn't have to think that they was cleaning up. I should have, you know, make Michaela do all the work. Oh, wait a minute, I did. Okay, anyway, you guys, so see, we're gonna go ahead and put just a little bit more of those blueberries. Now we're gonna put them in the oven, and we're gonna cook them in the 350-degree preheated oven. So I'll be right back with you guys. Yeah, this is the finished product. Michaela already ate about 2 bites already, probably 3. You know, I ain't gonna lie, this is her second one. But let's not tell nobody, Michaela. Anywho, this is how they look here. They're all, see how they are? Beautiful, beautiful. Well, you guys, thank you for joining me for making these muffins this week. Stay tuned for next week. Next week, my daughter might be doing it because I'm getting surgery, but it'll still be almost as awesome as mine. But until next time, God bless you all.